So in this project, what is happening, if you observe carefully, okay, let me open some web pages. See, in admin login code, okay, in admin login code, this particular code is connection code. Okay, this one here I am writing the code. The same code we are writing. Okay, we are writing in what? Let me show you that admin. Okay, right. In servlet also we are writing the same code. Where the servlet is. Please let me show you the yeah, here the servlets are present. Add student servlet. Here also we are writing the same code. See, database code, the database code is very same. Okay, in the view students also we are writing the same code again, and delete student delete also we are writing the same code for this one. So this is called as boilerplate code. Boilerplate code means the duplication of code. We are writing the same code again and again. So instead of this one, what I am going to do here, it is, let me close the servers. Okay, right. What I am going to do is I am going to create one package in this particular Java resources src main Java. Right click here, create a folder here. Okay, so create a package. So this is what we call as dbutil, database utilities. Okay, database utilities. Okay, database utils. Okay. Let me say that finish, but don't select this checkbox, please. Okay, if you select the checkbox, then you'll get complete errors. So finish it, and I create one class in this particular package. That is what we call as database class. I'm going to write class, one class I'm creating. Okay, DB connection, database connection class. Okay, then finish it. Now I have a ready-made code that I'm going to copy paste over here, please. Right. So let us say here, okay, this is what the code, that code I am going to add in that particular, sorry, Control Z. Okay, this code. Okay, so now this code I am pasting. So here I am going to import, let's say that import java.sql.star. Okay, right, we are importing. So here we are creating one static, okay, static connection object we are creating, okay, connection object when it is null. And I'm writing one public static method, okay, get connection method I am writing, which returns a connection object. Public static method can be called by using class name. This class name we can use to call this particular get connection. Now here what I am doing here, it is whatever the database code is there, this database code I am copying now, Control C. Okay, this particular Control C I am putting in the database connection. So here I am going to paste it, Control V. Okay, see please, this is what happening. So here in the connection method I am loading the driver and I am getting the connection object. Okay, right. If the connection is successful, then you will get a connection object, come out of the try catch and returns the connection object. In case if you get any error in this particular while establishing the connection, if you get an error, go to the catch block and connection will be null and it will return the null object. Okay, so what we are doing is we are writing this common database code, whatever that common database code is there. This common database code we have kept in this particular get connection method. Okay, present in database connection. Okay, save this particular thing. Now wherever you want to go with this one, for example, not delete, we go with the view students only. Now see, I am going to remove this particular code. Instead what I am going to do here, please, con is equal to, see, this connection object is equal to, what I can write, con is equal to db connection, conn. So use IntelliSense, please. Okay, control space bar. Now you got the connection, dot get connection, get connection. That's it, you got the connection. That's it, one line. So this is how can we make it the database connection. Okay, and you can see here the connection here, the db connection from db utils package is imported. Okay, so this is what happens with it. Now the program will be executed. See, I go here and refresh the page. See, there is no issue you'll be getting. Okay, sorry, I'm getting an issue. What is the issue? Con.close. Okay, line number 100. Okay, ps.close. What is that? ps.close, where it is present, database connection is closed. Okay, con.close. Okay, prepare statement is also closed. Right, good, fine. This is where it is went wrong. Database connection. Okay, if you get an error, right. Let me show you once again. So the error that I got, let me show you the error here. The error is what? here java.lang.null pointer exception cannot invoke the prepared statement close, because PS is what? Null. So what is happening here? It is in the view students, if you observe carefully, right, in the database connection, what we are doing here, this connection you are getting as a null object you are getting. Okay, see, I will show you what happening. If connection is equal to null, okay, let me show you that pw dot close, out dot println, let me show you that. Okay, h2, okay, db connection, okay, connection error, just for identifying the, okay, error, this message I am going to put, and I stop this particular page also. Okay, return. So you are getting the connection object from here, right? If the connection object is null, you have to print this message and we have to say return. Okay, so let me, okay, refresh it. Okay, so this is what is happening, right? Okay, no data you are getting because, okay, where is that? Is view students, right? The connection is null, therefore you got a error. Okay, why you are getting here means the connection is not null. Okay, so the connection object is not returning the null. Okay, so connection null, we have to get it actually. But what's the mistake? Let me tell you, please. See, this connection object here, the connection object, both are having what? Same names. Okay, so let me remove this particular connection, please. Okay, this is what happening here. Now let's get back here and refresh it. Right, now you got the data. Okay, so this small mistake is there here. 2 times I have written. This is a global variable, static variable I have created, and local connection object I have created. So like this. So here you better write a separate method inside the class like get connection, which should return the connection object. So connection code will be present only here. Okay, and wherever you require, just you need to write one statement. Okay, one statement. So here Control C, this one. This is also not required for, but for special cases we have tried this one. Okay, if the connection is null, it should not raise the error. Okay, instead we have to show the message like this we have to go with. Okay, right. So this particular code I am copying now, Control C. Wherever you are using the database programming, okay, there you have to write that particular thing, simple. Okay, but here it is connection. Okay, right, db connection, import it. So use the IntelliSense control space bar, press control space bar, so that this will be imported. Okay, and similarly in servlet also, where it is the servlet, yeah, first of all we go with the admin add student, delete is completed, view is completed, right? Here also I make it changes. Here also I do changes. See, all this is not required. All this I am going to remove, and here I am going to add the file, Control V. That's it, finished. But here the connection object, connection con, right? And better import this particular thing, IntelliSense control space bar, so that it will, no, sorry, it's went wrong because the spelling mistake, connection. Okay, connection, right, this is better. db connection also we import it. Okay, we import it, right? This is what again imported. Save it so that errors will be removed. Okay, yeah. Now this is the what the statement that we are going to write. Okay, so each and every time we will not write that one. Okay, so let me once again run the application, refresh it. I first of all start from the first. Okay, for the first login page that we are going to with, okay, index.jsp, the first page. Okay, admin, I go here, admin, and the password is 12345, login. Yeah, working successfully. Here student, add student, yes, view students, everything is okay, fine. So this is what, how can you make the database connection in a separate class. Okay, global connection that we are going to make. Fine, good.